Good day, mates, from Toowoomba, Australia, here in the beautiful state of Queensland. And it is a, believe it or not, you wouldn't know it by looking at me, but it's a winter day here. And I found my way to a special place here in Toowoomba. It's called the North Toowoomba Bowls Club. And it is the, as you can see, I think on the sign, it's the home of the bush rangers. And I was getting my hair cut the other day. I was driving through town and I found this little barber shop, and I thought I'd stop in to get a haircut. And as a gentleman was cutting my hair, his name is Dennis, and you'll meet him here in a moment. As Dennis was cutting my hair, I looked over in the corner to see a sign that he would hang on the window that said, Thursdays closed after 12:30. And curiosity got the better of me. And I said, so what do you do Thursdays after 12:30? And he said, lawn bowls. And I said, what? And he said, lawn bowls. Lawn. I said, you mean like lawn bowling? You go lawn bowling? And he said, yeah. And we talked a little bit about it. And I said, can I come and watch? You think I can come and watch? And he said, sure, I don't know why not. So here I am at the North Toowoomba Lawn Bowls Club. And I'm going to bring you inside, and maybe we'll meet some of the gentlemen here. It's Men's Day today. And I'm going to go inside, see if I can't introduce you to some of the men and maybe learn a little bit about this game. I don't think that there's really a city in Australia that I've been to that they didn't have a bowls club, as I've come to learn that they're called. All right, so let's go check this place out. And here you would see the shot of the outside of the building, home of the Bushrangers. Pokey's Visitors Welcome Friday Night Meals, all available for hire. And it's just a full-on club. They've got the Toowoomba Jazz Society that meets here on the second and last Friday of every month. And they've got some different adverts up there on the building as well. But let's go inside and check this out. They actually have let me show you the sign here coming in, the Toowoomba Bowl Shop, Northland Shopping Center, and Two Hands Kitchen. Delicious coffee, great food, good times. So, boy, it is a beautiful day. It's just hard to imagine that it's winter time. It really is. You know, you see people, well, it's probably temperature in Fahrenheit is probably in the mid-70s, I would imagine, right now. So we're going to go and learn a little bit about this game. As you walk in the door here, you see a big pennant. Men's State Pennant, Division 1, winner 2013, Queensland State Champions, North Toowoomba Bushrangers, 2013. So they're obviously some good bowlers here at the North Toowoomba Bowls Club. And everybody is out bowling right now, but at halftime, I guess, I think that's what they said, at halftime, they'll come in and have themselves a cold one or some tea and some sandwiches. But this would be the lounge area, or the bar, if you will. And down here they've got some jerseys for sale that you can pick up. Look at that. Would be a pretty nice souvenir. Not. All right, let's go check the game out. All right, and this would be the barber himself. This is Dennis, and this is the reason that I'm here at the North Toowoomba Bowls Club. And he's going to give me a little bit of some background on this. You were just saying, now this is what you call what, the green?
This is the green. The whole area is the green, right?
Okay.
And you'll see the numbers, and the green is divided into what they call rinks.
Rinks, R-I-N-K-S?
Yeah, see, you got rink 7, rink 8, rink 9, rink 10, rink 11.
Now, are they numbered?
They're numbered. See them down there?
I don't see. Oh, down on the far end.
Yeah, okay.
I see, down
so
on the far end.
each game is played on individual rinks.
I got you.
Okay. So the idea is that you put your mat down.
Okay.
And you bowl the kitty.
Now, what do you call that there? That white ball.
Well, I call it the kitty.
Kitty?
Some call it the jack.
The jack, okay.
Yeah, okay. So the idea is that you've got to get your bowl as close as you can to the kitty.
To the kitty, okay.
So each bowler has a certain number of bowls, and they bowl in turn. And it's like bocce, you know, you got to get...
Yeah.
And you can take bowls out, and they knock bowls out of the way, and...
Now, we call them balls, but you call them bowls.
Bowls.
B-O-W-L-S. So, these are... It looks like a ball to me, but they don't call them balls here. They call them bowls. B-O-W-L-S.
And there's different sizes of bowls. You can get 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, maybe 6s.
Uh-huh.
Depending on the size of your hand. And you always bowl with the weighted side inwards.
So it has a weighted side.
Weighted side, which is called the bias.
Bias? B-I-A-S?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you deliver the bowl,
yeah,
you're trying to get as close to that white kitty down there as possible.
and there it goes. Look at that. All right, this is going to be great. Now, I don't know that...
And then the next player has a bowl.
Now, you didn't get too close to that, Dennis.
Well, I'll get close to this.
I want to see you get close to that.
Well, I'm not a very good bowler.
You're not a very good bowler, huh? You don't bowl as good as you cut hair. I've gotten a lot of compliments on my haircut. You know, and the gentleman that I'm staying with, he said that you cut his hair also.
What's his name?
His name is Derek. All right, let's see if you can do it this time. Here we go. There he goes, folks. Let's see how well he does. There he goes. He's going, let's see. That's going a little bit better. Look at that. Oh, goodness gracious. He did. Look at that. That is good show. Very good, very good. All right, let's get this thing started. I've spent some time talking to some of these gentlemen here, and boy, they're all wonderful guys. They really are. Very, very, very friendly. And what a great way to socialize. This man just here threw the white ball down there to start this game. And I'm not going to try to explain the whole thing to you, but essentially you have teams, and these teams, each team member has their own bowls, if you will. And here goes a gentleman here getting ready to throw his bowl right there. And you can see he's got a cane on one hand, and he's got his launcher or whatever you want to call it on the right, and he just rolled his bowl down to the other side. So it really is a nice game, nice relaxing game. Great way to socialize. You can see these. There's no shortage of men here that are just enjoying a beautiful day. Just a really beautiful day. And boy, I can't help but to think how much my dad would have loved this. Here goes a gentleman here for his bowl. Boy, my dad would have really enjoyed this, I'm sure. If not just watching the video. But I know my dad is with me in spirit, and he probably is here right now, just with a big smile on his face, watching as this gentleman gets ready to roll his bowl. And there it goes. All right. Oh, goodness. This is really nice. So, probably should come back and do a day with the ladies here as well. So, this gentleman looks like Colonel Sanders, all in his white with the beard, as he gets ready to... See if I can't hit him. There he goes. And there it goes. Very nice. I'm going to actually fly my drone up around these folks here. So look at all the bowls keep wanting to call them balls, but they're bowls. And they may have the same colors. Some of them may have the same colors, but they have different markings on them. They'll have different like a kangaroo or a koala or something like that. So, all right, I'm gonna get my drone up. Why, that's gonna wonderful, just really, really nice. And they've got two fields, if you will, here. And I'm not quite sure what purpose the grids serve. They've got these fields that are marked off with grids. Not quite sure the purpose that those serve. But boy, what a nice way to spend the day. All right, now I would have to imagine that this is not only a game for seniors, but as I look amongst the gentlemen here, most of the gentlemen here look like they're seniors, pensioners, I think they call them down here in the land of koalas and kangaroos and all types of other little critters as this gentleman gets ready. Okay, but I would imagine that there's all different age ranges of folks that play this game, and it wouldn't surprise me if there weren't like competitions for younger folks as well. But boy, it's beautiful. Here comes another gentleman getting ready. Very nice. I'm going to take some pictures from these videos. I'm going to grab some shots of the gentleman, like this gentleman getting ready right here. I'll be able to get some nice pictures for them. Now, I don't know if I could actually try to follow one of these balls down. Maybe I could. We will see if I can't maybe follow one of these balls down to the other side here. This gentleman here is getting ready. I'm going to see if I can't kind of follow his ball. I'm sorry, I keep wanting to say ball, but they're not balls. They're bowls. So here goes this gentleman. Let's see if I can follow his bowl. There you go.
You shouldn't have
fantastic.
That one. It's gone out of bounds.
Yeah, said I shouldn't have gotten that one. It went out of bounds. So maybe we'll try another one. Oh, wonderful. I found my way back over to the other field, if that's what you call it. And you can't say this isn't a colorful game between the jerseys and the uniforms or uniforms, whatever you want to call them, and the bowls. It sure is a colorful game. All right. So I'm going to see if I can't get another shot of the bowl going down. All right, mates, another day, another adventure, and I hope you enjoyed that. I sure did, and I got some really nice drone shots as well. So who knows? Maybe one of these days I'll go out and buy myself some bowls and come down on a Thursday afternoon. I'll have to get a sign I'll have to get a sign for my office, or maybe change my status on Facebook to, you know, Thursdays bowls after 12:30. So have a have a great day. It really is Australia is a nice place. It really is. If you haven't been here, you really should give it a try.